You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. You have to know that this is, before it's a name, the name of this fictional character from television. This is actually a word from Spanish that means fox. Okay, so that's Spanish for a fox. How do you say fox in Spanish? And then we'll look at how the character name is said in English. So fox in Spanish is said as zorro. Zorro. So in central Spain, many parts of Spain, the Z is pronounced like TH. And then because you have two R's, you have to really trail the R quite thoroughly. Zorro. Now in other parts of Spanish-speaking world, the Z is pronounced like an S, so zorro, zorro. In English, Zorro, Zorro. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.